Hello students, today I am uploading video on the chapter multiples and factors. In class 2 and 3 you have learned the table. First I start with the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12 and so on. So in table of 2 we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What are these? All these numbers are called multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Similarly, in the table of 3 we get 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What are these? These are the multiples of 3. So in other words, we can say what is multiple? Multiple of any given number are the products which are obtained by multiplying the number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now we will discuss about the properties of multiples. Multiples has some properties. First property is every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 2 is the multiple of 2 itself. Okay, we get 2 in the table of 2. So 3 is the multiple of 3 itself. 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5, 7 1 ja 7, 9 1 ja 9. So every number is the multiple of itself. Multiples are countless. Multiples are countless. When we say 4 10 ja 40, so it is not the end 4 10 ja. After 4 10 ja 40, we come 4 11 ja 44, 4 12 ja 48. Okay, so it will continue. There is no any ending. Okay, so multiples are countless. Every number is a multiple of 1. Multiple of 1. Like when we say 2, so 2 means what? 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. So 1 is the multiple of all number. 0 is the multiple of every number. We start table from 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, but we should start from 0. 2 0 ja 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So 0 is the multiple. So 2 0 ja 0, 3 0 ja 0. So we can say 0 is the multiple of all number. Even number. Any number that can be divided by 2 is an even number. Okay? Is an even number. Exactly divisible means you take a number, say 4. When you divide 4 by 2, what will you get? You will get remainder 0. But suppose if a big number is given and you are asked to tell whether it is a even number or not, how to do and what to do? You see, if the last digit of that number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say yes, these numbers are even number. Example 24. In 24 you see what is the last digit? 4. So 24 is a even number. 32. What is the last digit? 2. So 2 is a even. 2 is the last digit. So 32 is an even number. 1286. 6 is the last digit. So 6 is an even number. Now odd number, any number that cannot be divided exactly by 2, that cannot be exactly divided by 2 are called odd number. Okay, odd numbers. Here I have shown when 3 is divided by 2, what we get remainder? 1. We are not getting remainder here 0 like in case of even number. Okay, and how to identify without actually dividing that whether a number is odd or not? What we have to do? We have to see the last digit. If the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, so we can say without dividing, yes, these numbers are even number. I have given some example. 13. What is the last digit? 3. So 3 is 3 indicates what? It is an odd number. 7 here last digit is 17. So 17 is an odd number. 101. So here last digit is 1. So 1 is an odd number. So 101 will become an odd number. Okay. So I hope you might have understood up to here. If you have any problem, you can ask me regarding odd, even or the properties of multiple in the live class. Now I will discuss factors. First, in order to understand about the factors, what we have to do? First we take 8 squares or 8 circle or any 8 similar figures, okay, and arrange them in column and row. Look here, we have 8 factors and I have arranged them in 8 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 row. Again this same 8 squares, okay, we arrange in how many column? 4 column. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many rows? 1 and 2. These are rows and these are column. Okay, so 8 here 8 squares are arranged in 8 column and 1 row. So 1 and 8 will become the factor of 8. Here 8 squares are arranged in 4 column and 2 rows. So factors are 4 and 2. So what will be the all factors? All factor will be 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. With these numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 8 can be divided. Okay, it can be divided. 8 can be divided by 1, 8 can be divided by 2, 8 can be divided by 4 and 8 can be divided by 8. So all these numbers are the factors of 8. Properties. Now we discuss properties of factors. The smallest factor of every number is 1. Like here we have 4 factors and which is the smallest here? The smallest is 1 and the largest is 8. So 1 is the smallest factor and largest factor of every number is the number itself. Like here 8. Here I have written the factor of 8 and 8 is the largest. So you take any number and the largest factor of that number is the number itself. For example, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 8 is the largest factor and 1 is the smallest factor. The factor of a number is equal to or less than. The number. Like here 8 is the factor, so it is equal to the number and other factors are smaller. Okay, Here I have shown you one example. Find out the factor of 12. How to find out? You see 12. 1 12 is 12. 12 can be divided by 2. So 2 6 is 12. 12 is equal to 3 into 4. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, all these are the factors of 12. So factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. I hope you have understood up to here. Prime number. Now I will discuss prime numbers. Numbers that have only two factors are called prime number. Two factors. And what are these factors? One factor is 1 digit 1, and the other factor is the number itself. For example, 7, 11, 13. What are the factors? This 7, when I take the example 7, 7 can be divided only by 7 and 1. 11 can be divided by 1 and 11. 13 can be divided by 1 and 13. So 7, 11 and 13 all are prime number. So any number which has only two factor, when we say two factor means with only these two numbers, that number can be divided. So these numbers are prime number. Composite number are those numbers which have more than two factors. For example, 4. 4 has three factors because 4 can be divided by 1, 4 can be divided by 2, 4 can be divided by 4. So 4 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3. So 4 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Okay, composite number. Another example is say 25. So 25, 1 into 25, 25. 25 can be divided by 5. So 5 into 5, 25. So factors of 25 here we get 1, 5 and 25. Hence 25 is a composite number because total how many factors here? 1, 2 and 3. 19. Another example I have taken 19. 19 can be divided only by 1 and 19, not by any other numbers. For this reason 19 has two factors and it is a prime number. So today in this video I have explained to you about multiples, factors, their properties, odd number, even number, prime number and composite numbers. And I will also give some assignment, and in the assignment also I will mention the due date. Please try to submit your work before due date or on the due date. Thank you very much.